Have you ever stopped to think about how the world around us operates? I mean, really think about it. How do factories churn out millions of products every year? How do airplanes soar through the skies, defying gravity? And what about those towering skyscrapers that seem to touch the clouds? It's easy to get lost in the magic of it all, but let me tell you, it's not magic. It's something much more tangible, something that plays a crucial role in our daily lives: capital goods. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are capital goods? Well, think of them as the unsung heroes of our modern economy. These are the machines, tools, and equipment that businesses rely on to produce goods and services at scale. Without capital goods, our world would look vastly different. Our ability to create, innovate, and grow would be severely limited, and the conveniences we often take for granted would simply not exist. So, what are capital goods? They are physical assets that businesses use to produce goods or services. These are durable and long lasting assets, ranging from machinery and equipment to vehicles, buildings, and technology. The key thing to remember is that consumers don't directly use capital goods. Instead, businesses harness these assets to create the products that eventually find their way into our hands. You see, capital goods are more than just tools, they are considered a form of investment. They are expected to generate returns over time through their production capabilities. Let's break it down a bit further. Capital goods can be categorized based on their use in production. For example, we have industrial capital goods, which include everything from heavy machinery in factories to the small hand tools that workers use daily. These assets are essential for ensuring efficient and effective production processes, leading to increased business output and revenue. Then there are infrastructure capital goods, which refer to the assets used in constructing, maintaining, and developing public and private infrastructure. Think about buildings, bridges, roads, airports, and power plants. These are the backbone of our economy, providing essential services and creating an environment where businesses can thrive. A well-maintained road network, for instance, facilitates the movement of goods and services, reducing transportation costs and increasing accessibility. Next, we have transportation capital goods. These are the assets that help move goods and people from one place to another. Airplanes, ships, trucks, trains, and buses all fall into this category. They are crucial for facilitating trade and commerce, promoting tourism, and driving economic development. Just think about how cargo ships have revolutionized international trade, allowing businesses to reach new markets and expand their operations globally. Now, let's talk about why capital goods are so vital to our economy. First and foremost, they enhance productivity. Capital goods enable businesses to produce goods and services on a larger scale and with higher efficiency. By utilizing machinery, equipment, and technology, companies can streamline production processes and reduce the time and labor required to create products. This leads to higher productivity, lower costs, and increased output, which ultimately benefits both the business and the economy as a whole. But that's not all. The production and maintenance of capital goods also create jobs. When businesses invest in new machinery and equipment, they need skilled workers to operate and maintain those assets. This demand leads to new job opportunities and the development of a skilled labor force, which is essential for economic growth. Moreover, capital goods are often at the forefront of technological advancements, driving innovation in the economy. New and improved machinery and equipment can enable businesses to produce goods and services that were previously unimaginable, creating new markets and driving economic growth. Investing in capital goods also enhances a company's competitiveness. By acquiring the latest equipment, businesses can produce goods and services at lower cost and improve quality, allowing them to compete more effectively in the market. This increased competitiveness leads to higher levels of economic activity and ultimately more jobs. And let's not forget that capital goods are long-term investments. They are durable assets that provide returns over an extended period. When businesses invest in capital goods, they are making a commitment to the economy that can generate growth and prosperity for years to come. Now, what are some characteristics that distinguish capital goods from other types of goods? For starters, they are built to last. Capital goods are designed to be durable and long-lasting, capable of withstanding wear and tear over time. They are also typically high-cost items, requiring significant investment from businesses. Acquiring capital goods can often represent a substantial portion of a company's budget. Another key characteristic is that capital goods are productivity enhancers. They streamline production processes, increase output, and ultimately drive revenue. However, it's important to note that capital goods do depreciate over time. Their value decreases as they are used, which is a crucial consideration for businesses when making investment decisions. Capital goods can also be technically complex, requiring skilled technicians and engineers to operate and maintain them. This complexity means that businesses must invest in training and development to ensure they have the expertise needed to keep these assets running smoothly. Now, let's look at some examples of capital goods in action. Take commercial aircraft, for instance. These are capital goods that are essential for the airline industry. They are expensive, durable, and designed to last for many years. Their productivity-enhancing capabilities have allowed the airline industry to grow and expand significantly over the years. Then there are industrial robots, which have become staples in manufacturing. These sophisticated machines can perform repetitive tasks with incredible precision and speed, automating production processes and improving efficiency while reducing labor costs. Heavy construction equipment, such as excavators and cranes, is another example. This equipment is vital for the construction industry, designed to be reliable and durable, enabling construction companies to complete projects more efficiently. But what factors influence the demand for capital goods? Economic growth is a major driving force. When the economy is thriving, businesses are more likely to invest in new equipment and machinery to expand their operations and increase productivity. Technological innovation also plays a role. New technologies can create demand for innovative equipment that enhances efficiency and reduces costs. Government policies can significantly impact demand as well. Tax incentives, subsidies, and infrastructure spending can stimulate the need for capital goods, while restrictive policies may hinder investment. Additionally, the demand for capital goods can vary across industries, with some sectors requiring specialized equipment not commonly used elsewhere. Interest rates also affect demand. Higher interest rates can make borrowing more expensive, discouraging businesses from investing in capital goods. Conversely, lower interest rates can make it more affordable, boosting demand. Now, let's briefly touch on the difference between capital goods and consumer goods. While capital goods are used in the production of other goods and services, consumer goods are what individuals use for personal consumption. Consumer goods are typically non-durable and have a shorter lifespan, whereas capital goods are long-lasting investments. Investment in capital goods is a crucial driver of economic growth. By improving production efficiency, creating jobs, and fostering technological advancements, capital goods contribute significantly to overall economic development. However, the capital goods industry also faces challenges, such as high capital costs, the need for continuous innovation, fluctuations in demand, supply chain disruptions, and regulatory compliance. Looking ahead, the capital goods market is evolving. Trends such as increased automation and robotics, growing demand for sustainable solutions, and the integration of digital technologies are shaping the future. The shift towards service-based business models is also noteworthy, as manufacturers offer ongoing support and maintenance alongside their equipment. To keep capital goods performing at their best, maintenance and upkeep are essential. Regular inspections, scheduled maintenance, calibration, and proper cleaning can all extend the lifespan of these critical assets. Training employees on how to operate and maintain equipment is equally important, as it helps prevent costly breakdowns. Technological advancements continue to revolutionize the capital goods industry. Automation, additive manufacturing, the Internet of Things, augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and advanced materials are all contributing to increased efficiency, productivity, and safety. The government has a vital role in promoting the capital goods industry. By providing incentives, developing infrastructure, encouraging innovation, ensuring a favorable regulatory environment, and facilitating international trade, governments can help bolster this essential sector of the economy. In conclusion, capital goods are the backbone of our economy, enabling businesses to produce goods and services efficiently and effectively. They enhance productivity, create jobs, drive innovation, and contribute to economic growth. Understanding the importance of capital goods helps us appreciate the complex machinery that keeps our world running smoothly. So next time you see a factory, an airplane, or a skyscraper, remember that behind the scenes, capital goods are hard at work, making it all possible.